welcome to Vanlife VanGaming, and today we're going to be talking about what we have recently done in the van. So we were planning to do a video about doing the window, but as per usual, the England weather has catched up with us, or caught up with us. But we decided to do something a bit different. So in our van, since it's a self-built van, the great thing about it is that we can tinker around with the layout of it. So for our toilet area, it always sits in this cupboard. If you see that cupboard there, that's where it normally sits in. But we have to pull it out. But normally there's stuff there, so we can't really pull it out. Right, so we've done this so that it's a bit easier to get out and use. But it's not finished yet, obviously. We need to polish it, like this wood here that we've got. And we need to get the cushion for on top of it, and hopefully it should be done by then. And where it was, we're going to go to the little garage area. You know that I've got a hoverboard, so we're going to make like it be able to charge in there and put it in there. So, and recently for Christmas, I got a bike extension for it, so that we will try to fit under there as well. So that'll be a little garage area. Right guys, so if you haven't already noticed, over here we don't have the doors in the cupboards actually. So Daddy's going to go to B&Q tomorrow and get the rails to make them sliding doors, so it should be a bit easier to open as well. And up here, as you have seen, or you should have seen, we've gotten rid of the oven because it stopped working, stuff like that. And we've gotten the new Omni oven. And we're going to put the Omni oven in there as well, and we're going to use that as an extra cupboard as well, which I think is going to be really good for lots of extra stuff we've got around the van. Right guys, so since it's coming up to festival season, we still have a lot of work to do. Since the accident, we need to put the window in, like we planned to do, fix the side of the van for the festivals, and we need to carpet some more things. If you haven't noticed, we've carpeted a few more things, but we need to carpet some more things, so probably some more back there. Right, so we've needed to replace some panels, so we need to get more panels for it. And as you can see, we need to stain a bit more things like this, as you can see the difference, and get everything about how it was before the festival season.
1 week later.
Hi everyone, welcome to Vanlife VanGaming, and as you can see, we have got a ladder. This is a rhino ladder, but quickly, we are trying to fit it on the back door, but as you can see, it's too long, so we have cut it. But remember, when you're using tools, always wear your safety equipment. So we got a ladder so we can fit my bike on it. This is a rhino ladder that we got from the Facebook marketplace. It was a bit too long, like I said, so we cut it. And now we're going to try and fit it on the van. Let's get to it. Right, so I have drilled these holes, but first we cut this bit off here. And we have drilled these holes to relocate this bit on here. Let's try and slow it down. Right, okay. There's the holes, and we get this and put it in here. On the bottom. Right. So here is the ladder. We have finished placing it on. This is from Rhino, and we got it from Facebook Marketplace, as I have said before. We got this for £20. They're meant to be £200, so that is an absolute bargain. It just had a bit of rust, which we've sorted out. We just need to put it on here. And since it's festival season, we need to put stuff on it. So, like, say our flag up there. And also my quad bike, which we can put on there as well. And Daddy said I also need this to help clean the solar panels. Let's see how sturdy it is. This is very sturdy. And I can just go up here and clean the solar panels. Like this. As we have 3 sets of solar panels, it should be a lot easier